Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to be doing a video on changing out the belt on the 950M with a 72-inch deck, and how to do that, the part number, what to look for, what not to do, all that good stuff, so you can easily change out your own belt on your mower, not have to take it to the dealer, not have a bunch of downtime. You can easily do it yourself. Two tools and a belt, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so our belt finally went on this mower, and we're going to show you how to replace that. These belts will last about 400 to 450 hours, sometimes 500, but usually 4 to 450. This belt's going to break, so you will get a lot of use out of it. Okay, we run nothing but OEM, and this at a John Deere dealer is going to run you about $140 at this time. And that's where we get it. Okay, and the only tools you're going to need is a breaker bar like this one, and it's going to make your life a lot easier. You could do it other ways, I suppose, but if you have this breaker bar, this is going to help you a lot and get it done quick, or a similar breaker bar, and this one's got the 1/2 inch on it. And I also have a 3/8 ratchet with another number 13 millimeter socket on the end. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is lower that deck down all the way so you get easy access. Okay, next thing you're going to do is take off these covers. If you have them on there, they just come right off. And you're also going to take off this middle grate right here. Kind of heavy, but it will come off. And now you have access to all of your spindles. Okay, now we're going to take the old belt off. It's already busted, so I mean it should end up sliding out of there. And usually they just break in one spot. They just have a little chunk out of it one day, and then won't be long after that, and then it's going to go on you. And we always keep an extra belt on our lawn trailer just in case this happens at that time. Okay, now with that 3/8 ratchet, you're going to end up taking off this bolt right here, which is pretty much in the center of the mower, and this will help your belt get in and out easily. Okay, now just to make sure the dealer gave you the right belt, we just stretch out the old one, lay it out, and we'll stretch out the new one right next to it. Make sure it's all the same length. Okay, so you take this breaker bar and you put it, that 1/2 inch driver, right in that hole, and what that's going to do is take the pressure off your spring, so you can go ahead and get your belt in. Okay, so we got it rested on that bar so a person doesn't have to stand there and hold tension on it. Okay, next we're going to pull that belt over the deck from the front, and we're going to shove it all the way to the back of the mower. Okay, you got to make sure the belt goes through this little rectangle notch right here. Now, make sure that one side of the belt's kind of vectored there. It's got a groove. It's narrow, more narrow. The other side's more fat. Just make sure that the more narrow side is around the pulley, not the flat side at this point. Okay. Okay. Now, most of these mowers have a diagram for the belt right on the deck, and here's a picture of what it should look like. Okay. Next thing is we're putting the flat side of the belt on the black pulley. Next thing you do is, and they're going to go under this spring here, like this, which is on the left side of your mower, and then you're going to put it around this other pulley, and you're going to be putting the groove side in. Okay, next you're going to put it on the pulley that's on the gas tank side of the deck, and you're going to have the groove side around the pulley. Alright, now you're going to take off your breaker bar momentarily so you can get the belt underneath it. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get that breaker bar back on and into place. Okay, now we're going to put the flat side of the belt on this last pulley, which is right underneath the operator's seat. Right in the center. And we're going to put this belt behind the guide and slide it down on there. Now you're going to take the breaker bar off, let the tension off there. Okay, with our 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket, we're going to go ahead and tighten this guide back up here. Okay, now we're going to put the breaker bar back and just take the tension off it. All right, now you want to go around, check your belt, make sure it's setting on the pulleys. The groove sides are on the groove parts, the flat sides are on the flat parts. Make sure you have no twist in this. Make sure everything's on every pulley. Go around the back of the mower, check it there also, and make sure everything's lined up exactly how it should be so you don't end up breaking another belt because you got a twist in there. All right, now you got to put the covers back on. They just snap right on there and twist just a hair like that. And I like these covers because they have a little hole in the top so you don't have to take them off to do your greasing. And so your little zerk fitting is right there. So the only reason we take them off is just to do a belt or to get the grass out. Now you also want to put on this center cover. Like that. And then you're going to start it up and run it and make sure the belt stays on, all your blades are going. Also, don't make sure you raise your deck back up. All right, at this point, I would just go around, take one more look at your belt and make sure everything looks good. It didn't jump off, it ain't twisted, nothing like that. Okay, and by the way, here's your part number. It's right on the side of the belt here. This will be an OEM John Deere part number, which you can get at any of your John Deere dealers, or you can order it online from a John Deere dealer. That's how you do that. It's really easy, inexpensive. We're going to have a video coming out on every John Deere that we own, 930M, 920, everything we own on how to change the belts. I already got a lot of videos out there on John Deere mowers and tractors and gators, so be sure to check all those out, and steel tools and everything about your lawn business. We can help you out. So just be sure to check out all my other videos, and also hit the like button if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service in Naples, Florida.